Good morning and welcome to Milmo Wood from the beautiful North Wales. Now that's been a long time since I've said that for a video. Well, I managed to get the garage door open. There was a bit of work involved. I still need to put more tension on the spring for the up and over door, kind of a British style. I don't know if this is around the world, but the door's open. Unfortunately, the people that lived here before have smashed all the electrical sockets in the garage, and there was only two. So this morning I'm trying to refit or temporarily refit an electrical socket, so at least I've got some power in the garage. Hopefully I'll get some lighting in there. Let's see how we get on. So as you can see from inside the garage, we've got this broken bit. Well, it's not broken. It should run the length of the garage door and go into a guide at the top, and that's what's used for locking the door. But on this side, you guessed it, the guide is broken. So I have to find a replacement guide, which they don't make anymore, but I think a simple strip of metal will do that. The garage is a bit full, as you can see, but hopefully very shortly I'll be in here at least doing something, but there's a long way to go. It's a prefabricated construction, so I probably need to insulate it and panel it, which will be relatively expensive I think, but worthwhile. And then we've got a kind of corrugated roof, which is, yes, you guessed it, broken in places. Don't know if you can see there, someone's put the foot through, there's a bodge on there. And then further down we appear to have a leak, which looks like someone's tried to bodge it. And on the outside there's all sorts of plants growing, which have grown into the garage. They've been cut back now and are dead, but because they're interwoven, I think that's why they've not been removed. But there's no one in next door at the moment, so I might try up there and pull them out. I was thinking they were growing into the roof, but it looks like they've just grown up the side, so hopefully I can be able to remove it. And then what I was talking about is here's the box I'm replacing. What was left was kind of a broken, mangled thing hanging off the wall. Been there for a while because the inside of that socket had all sorts of cobwebs and dust, so it's been broken for a while. And the power was still on. I can't believe he left the power on. And there's another broken socket. Let me see if I can take you to that. Just hanging off the wall there. So I need to repair that as well. So today I'm fixing a metal double back on. I've got some temporary plastic sockets because I've changed a couple of sockets in the house. I put these on for now, then at least I've got some power in the garage. Well, I'm not an electrician, it's a bit messy inside. Whereas a temporary fix, I think it's perfectly safe. I'm just going to secure the box on now, or the sockets on now, and then go and put the power on and let's see if it works. Fingers crossed. Well, here goes nothing. So this is the main fuse box in the house. Flip the garage on. Now there's a switch in the garage as well. Let's go and do that. So switch in the garage. On. Oh, let's just make our way over to the plug. Hopefully this works first time. I bought a spotlight the other day so I could see in here and fix it by an extension. Oh, live action. In we go. Moment of truth, either blow up or I get light. Let's see, what do you reckon? I can't really do it so you can see both. Whoa! I got power in the garage. I'm so happy. Oh, just a simple thing. There we go. Let me pan back. Power in the garage. Bring it on. Milmo Wood is coming back. Well, so fitted the other socket on. This is where the single socket was fitted that was broken hanging. It's still hanging off the wall, I guess. Let's see. You ready? Yes! I got power again. Excellent. Let's sort some lights out.